Hi everyone, Tridib here from TGT and welcome to my third video within the last 24 hours. AppleOS releases are coming nice and fast and I'm committed to cover every update in this channel. This time it is watchOS 7.6.2. You guys might already know that Apple has released iOS, iPadOS 14.8 and macOS Big Sur 11.6 as well. I made separate videos for that. watchOS 7.6.2 is available for all the watchOS 7 supported Apple Watches. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 3 to all the way up to the Apple Watch Series 6, this update is available for you now. It is recommended to be on iOS 14.8 or iOS 15 beta along with this update. To find the update, make sure your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone, then open the Watch app, go to General, then Software Update, and your update should be available here. For me, this update came in around 70.4 megabytes in this Apple Watch Series 5. Now let's check the new build number. Go to Settings, then go to General, then About, and here you can see the version is 7.6.2 and the build number is 18U80. The previous one was 18U63. According to Apple, this update fixes some important security flaws. Let's go to the iPhone and check the release note there. Here you can see about Apple security updates and what they do for customers' protection. Then it describes what is actually fixed. This is actually a patch for CoreGraphics and the impact was processing a maliciously crafted PDF may lead to arbitrary code execution. Apple was aware of a report that this issue may have been actively exploited. So, it is the same patch across the macOS, iOS and watchOS lineup. This update was finished within 15 to 20 minutes on this Apple Watch. Performance-wise, this is running absolutely fine in this Apple Watch Series 5. I am using this for more than 1.5 years now and it is still running nice and smooth like new. The app performance is also fine. The battery life is also normal after this update. Let's check the battery health. Let's go to Settings, then Battery and check the battery health and it is now 86%. I'm using it every day for a long time now, so it's okay. With this battery health and always on display, I usually end up my day with around 35 to 38% battery life left in this Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 3 or newer, you should definitely update to watchOS 7.6.2. It is really stable and I always test update first and then ask you to update. At this time of the year, we should not expect any new feature for watchOS 7 with lots more coming with watchOS 8 within a couple of weeks. That's it. Thank you for watching. Do let me know your views or if you have found anything else. Do like, share and please don't forget to subscribe to TGT. I'll see you in my next one. Peace.